Okay, for our second rule of manipulating equilibrium constants, if you take a reaction and you decide to multiply every term in this reaction by some number n, what you're going to do to the equilibrium constant is you're going to raise the equilibrium constant to the power of n. Let me show you what I mean. Suppose you had the equation where nitrogen reacts with 3 hydrogens in equilibrium with 2 ammonias, and then they give you a K value equal to 5.2 times 10 to the 8th. But what if you didn't want the reaction written this way, where you had 1 mole of nitrogen and 3 moles of hydrogen and 2 moles of ammonia? What if instead you wanted a half of a mole of nitrogen, 3 halves of hydrogen, and just 1 single ammonia? What you can do to this first reaction in order to get this second reaction is you can multiply each of these terms by 1/2. If I multiply the nitrogen by 1/2, I get a half N2. If I multiply the hydrogen by 1/2, that basically takes 3 over 2, or 3 halves hydrogen. And finally, if I multiply the ammonia by 1/2, 1/2 times 2 gives you the 1 ammonia that you need. So if I multiply all of my terms, or my reaction, by 1/2, what I do to the K value is I raise this K to that power, the 1/2 power. Now, the 1/2 power is the same thing as a square root. So our new K2 here will be the square root of 5.2 times 10 to the 8th, and that new value will be 2.3 times 10 to the 4th. I hope that helps. Take care.